Welcome to a new era of operational optimization with Analytic Solver, where complex logistical challenges are solved with powerful yet intuitive solutions directly within Excel. Imagine efficiently allocating resources, whether moving troops, dispatching emergency supplies, or coordinating field operations, all through the familiar interface of Excel. This is the transformative power of Analytic Solver. Equipped with state-of-the-art optimization engines like LPQP and GRG Nonlinear, and access to top-tier commercial solvers like Gurobi and Nitro, Analytic Solver makes tackling even the most intricate problems effortless. Consider a scenario where critical resources must be allocated across multiple sites. Each movement or allocation comes with known costs or time constraints, and the challenge is to determine the most efficient plan to minimize costs while meeting all demands. Using Analytic Solver, you can develop a model that defines allocations as variables and integrates constraints such as transportation limits, site requirements, and budget restrictions. Solver's optimization engine processes this data to identify the best strategy, balancing cost, speed, and operational needs. The entire process is seamlessly integrated within Excel, enabling real-time adjustments and immediate results. With Analytic Solver, you're not just solving logistical problems, you're redefining how critical resources are managed. Embrace clarity, precision, and efficiency. Embrace Analytic Solver. Start today to transform your resource allocation strategies and achieve cost-effective, data-driven solutions.